So we have this lovely layer of ice that's just underneath the surface, or straight up is the surface, and we can just have a blast on it. As you can see, it's kind of powdery on the top still, but it's nice and icy underneath. Be a big red into that. Not using the air. The front I went a little more crazy with than the rear, because the front usually when it skips out causes you a crash. This road's pretty icy. We're gonna take a little trip up it. Proof of concept. So this is all ice, as you can see. We don't tear it up too bad. I'm having a hard time standing here. I'm slipping. Grabbing it right. Yeah, quickly that comes to a stop and digs in. Very good.
Hey guys, it's Colin from Trail Trash ADV. We've recently released a trailer for our new Cabot Trail Dualsport and Adventure motorcycle guide. Check it out by following the link in the video.